Hey guys, it's Gunrunner7271. In an earlier video I showed you the Stomp medical pack it's a Special Ops medical pack by Blackhawk. Today I thought we'd dig into that, show you what I carry when I go to the gun range and or any place where I'm thinking it may be dangerous. It is a jump rated pack. This comes in olive green. I know now that olive green might be a special order item. On the side it has on the immediate side it has a pocket for whatever, but I put the EMT shears in it. It has the jump rated straps here, so that you can wind them up between your legs when you're jumping out of a helicopter or a plane. Let's just go to the front section here. In the front section, it has a screened pouch here. I keep IV tubing and a nebulizer set. Keep some shears in here that are sealed. I keep disposable nitro gloves, some ace bandage. This is eye wash. I don't dare take it out of the sealed container, so the bag opens up and you can lay it flat. GI tourniquet. These are things for setting a IV. You're like, why do you have all this stuff for an IV? Well, it doesn't do you much good to have IV starters and IVs without an IV bag. Again, here's some other things here's some large gauge and small gauge IV sets. So, you know, everything you need to get you sustained. Up here I've just got empty pill bottles, and I figure I can put whatever in those. The important thing is you can put like NSAIDs in them or painkillers or whatever. Some bacterial ointment, a digital thermometer with extra covers. Oh my, atropine. They came in some sort of kit, so that's why I got them. I don't know, I just hang on to them for hanging on to them. Hey, this one, a goodie right here. This is an ammonia smelling inhalant. This will wake you up for people that have passed out. This is also good to have in your E&E kit. Ammonia inhalants render dogs' noses useless for 24 to 48 hours. If you find yourself in a situation where you're not a convicted criminal robbing a bank or something and they try to hunt you down with dogs, certainly burst one of these and get out of that area. Let them track the dog to that area, and it will disable the dog's scent receptors. Just a tip. I'm hoping that you guys are never criminals and never need that tip. We've got some large 2-inch wide or 3-inch wide Johnson & Johnson tape. We've got a blood stopping unit here. This is just, you know, large roll of gauze. There is a dental mirror. Probably ought to sterilize that before you use it. It has some side pockets here, which I keep just compressed, GI issue compressed bandages up through here. You never have enough compressed bandages. If you've ever been shot before you know that you never have enough compressed bandages. Again, you never have enough compressed bandages. I can't stress that enough, okay? Also, it would be helpful to have some for your eye. A dressing kit for your eye, or a wound kit for your eye. I have some in my first aid kit for the house, which we'll go through next. Again, if you look here, you never have enough compressed bandages. Gunshot wounds require lots of compressed bandages. You have a zippered pocket back here. This thing's got more pockets than the law to allow. Here's just some gauze, some flat stuff I keep back there. You set this up however you want. I got a buddy that's a physician's assistant, and he actually set this up for me and showed me how to use some of the stuff. But again, if you're not familiar with how to use this stuff, do no harm. This is just splinting material. It's got some, you can bend it whichever way you want. It's got a thin strip of metal inside. You can bend it and crimp it and whatever. It is soft, it is foam padded, but if you break an ankle or whatever and you need to be splinted, that's a good stuff to start with. That'll get you to the hospital till other care can arrive. Let me pack this all back up. The one thing I can tell you about is everything in this bag has a place. There is nothing that's out of place. I mean, it all fits in nice and neat. One other thing to mention, all Blackhawk bags are Camelback compatible or Storm hydration cell compatible. They all have onboard hydration. Let's seal up this section here. All right, let's move right along to the back section where the business starts. I keep some old meds in here just in case I need them. There's all sorts of stuff in here, including like I think I've got xylocaine and lidocaine and a whole host of antibiotics. I also keep a swine flu kit. Swine flu kit includes Tamiflu and hydrochloride, something. Diclomine hydrochloride. It's a generic for Bentyl. So we got Bentyl and Tamiflu. This is your swine flu kit. Never leave home without it. Okay, we got a big dude here for irrigating a wound. Lots of irrigation. Let's see what's in pack number one. Pack number one's got the old school glass syringes. Got these from a guy that sets up at the Indiana 1500 gun show over in Indianapolis. Got all sorts of syringes. Those would be used not for illicit drugs, but for putting pain meds in before you decide to do some sort of procedure. Let me get this guy's name out. His name is Herschel Goldstein from Mr. Medic. That's the name he goes by at the gun shows. His number is 248-968-1616, and he is Herschel. That's his first name. A lot of this stuff is available, over the counter. Some of it's not. Some of it you have to get from him. I've got betadine packs, and the reason I keep betadine packs is if you have to do a procedure out in the field, you want to be able to be sure that you can sterilize that. Okay, one of the big things out in the field that if you're out in the field over long term and you have to drink bad water or something is an anti-diarrheal. So I've got plenty of anti-diarrheals all sealed up, ready to go. I've got some more tape, surgical tape, whatever. This is a bandage gauze roll camouflaged. Now, I also keep, forgive me for bending, I also keep just some pink bismuth tablets, which are Pepto-Bismol tablets. Great for dogs that eat stuff that they shouldn't. Moving right along, got pack number 2. Everything has cinch down. Like I say, everything has a place and it belongs in it. Here's more, here's some cold packs for your bruises and contusions or whatever that you know, get out in the field. Here's some splint wire that's 3 3/4 by 30 inches long. You know, this pack's designed to go into a third world country, really. See, we got 3 rolls of gauze here, brand new, sealed up. Okay, let's move right along here. So, the really nice part about this pack is if you're out in the field, say that you have a gunshot wound, someone needs immediate care. I've also got chest seals in here somewhere for a sucking chest wound. Here's the thing for first aid on an eye dressing. Got 2 of those. I've got some airways here that keep a human adult airway unclogged. I also have these little ones for children. The nice thing about the Blackhawk bags are they have these 2 removable satchels. One red, one blue. Okay? You know what? Let's go through the blue one first. This one is the field surgery kit. I have disposable scalpel. All sealed. What do we got here? We got sodium chloride sealed. We have xylocaine sealed. We've got hemostats or not hemostats, but needles, what do they call those? You know, more iodine. Got a thing to wash out a wound, to flush out a wound here. We have a battery-operated cautery device, sterilized. No need to put it in an autoclave. It's all sterilized and ready to go. Now, I think if you need a battery-operated cautery device, you probably ought to address what you're doing and why you're doing that. As far as sutures go, we've got massive amount of sutures from you know, all different types and sizes, and we've got 4/0, 6/0, we've got nylon, provolene, silk, you name it, I've got it. Okay, that all fits back here in a flat pocket. Let's see more. Now, the other way to suture up without going through the pain is steri strips. I got plenty of steri strips here. Got those, keep those pretty handy. A set of, this is what I use to drive a needle when I'm putting in stitches. I'm sure there are plenty of videos on YouTube to learn how to put in stitches. US Field Surgery Kit, right here, number 1. Okay, in here I don't like to touch a lot of stuff because it has been sort of surgically sealed. I've got new blades for the scalpel that's in there. Got brand new blades sealed up in the aluminum foil package, and in this you have everything you need to do field surgery. You have 3/4 pair of hemostats, some shears, a scalpel handle. You have a bullet probe. You have, it looks like a pair of forceps. That's everything you need to do field surgery, basically for bullet wounds in particular. Okay, that's pack number, that's blue pack. Code blue. Now we've got a red pack here. Quite frankly, I've forgotten what's in the red pack. Oh, okay. We have in this pack a basic blood pressure cuff and little thing where you hear the person's heart and or blood pressure. And this is a high quality unit, also available through Mr. Medic. This is a Welch Allen, and you know, it's a high quality unit. I use it to check my own blood pressure from occasion to occasion when I get excited. So, okay. One of the other things I keep in this pack is a full size, not one of those wimpy emergency space blankets. I've got one of those on the front. This one is is OD green and silver on the other side. It is heavy. It is nylon fiber reinforced. It is 3 times as thick as those little silver space blankets that you get. The other thing I keep, because stuff happens out in the field, especially in, say, third world countries, are pneumatic air splints. This one's for an arm. They're vinyl, and you just blow them up, and they lock the limb into place. This one is for a foot, ankle, on an adult. And this one, this bad boy right here, is for a full-size leg. This would be if you should have a multiple fracture on the leg. It's big. So, hey guys, that's it. You know, again, this pack is completely hydration cell compatible, and it even has a little thing where the hydration cell hose comes out. It weighs about 35-40 pounds, and I gotta tell you, if you're ever shot and have a sucking chest wound, or ever have a multiple compound fracture, or any other serious thing, this bag will at least get you to further medical help. You know, we hope we never get injured, and I keep preaching that, but all too many times things can happen just in day-to-day life. So stay prepped, stay safe, and by all means get your first aid kits up to speed. Thanks.